Dads tonight, they've actually both gone through this situation with a custody battle, and both of those dads tell us that this is not a cookie cutter approach at 50-50 custody. It certainly never guarantees 50-50, but it's more of a starting point. They think it's only fair that a judge considers 50-50 custody instead of automatically giving one parent time with their child only every other weekend. Mark Ludwig is fighting for an issue that's close to his heart. 6 weeks after his son was born, he tells Fox 2 his son's mother moved away with him.
Children need to be able to have that bonding experience of both parents changing the diapers, getting them ready, doing baths. That's how children learn to have that security.
Ludwig's son is now 9 years old.
Total to this point, he's had 644 overnights since he's been born. That comes out to basically 21 months of his life. So at 9 years old, less than 2 years of his life has he ever had the experience of dad getting him ready for bed.
We first spoke to Ludwig and another local father, Jeremy Roberts, about the effort in 2016. The two were part of the team that got the law passed that requires family courts to answer 8 questions to determine a custody arrangement in the best interest of the child. It forced a judge to give a reason why 50-50 was not granted. Now, fast forward 4 years. The two, who are with Americans for Equal Shared Parenting, have another bill in the Missouri House of Representatives. The proposed law would mean without any facts, a judge needs to start with the presumption both parents are fit for 50% custody. Then, as the judge learns about the parents, that judge can alter the plan based on those facts.
We don't want everyone to have 50-50, and our legislation doesn't do that. But we also don't want allegations and just simple things to basically allow what's called parental alienation to occur, where one parent can basically allege something and the courts overreact without proper evidence.
The two dads out of St. Louis and St. Charles have spent the past 6 months on a 38-city tour and tell us they have bills in 38 states across the country.
If a parent becomes a weekend-only parent, it becomes what's known as the Disneyland dad, where it's a lot of fun, and I enjoy that time with my son. The challenge is my son needs the bonding experience of seeing dad have work to do at night.
Sometime in the next couple of business days, those two dads tell us that the Missouri House of Representatives will vote on that bill that was perfected today, and both of those dads say they are confident it will pass. From there, it will head to the Senate, and they don't see it having any problems there either. Molly Rose, Fox 2 News.